Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see your card number on the Wells Fargo app. All right, let's begin. The latest version of the Wells Fargo app comes with new features and a refreshed interface. Many users have requested the ability to see their full card number directly within the app. If you open the app and select your credit card account, you will only see the last 4 digits of your card number. For security reasons, Wells Fargo does not allow you to view the full card number in the app or on their website. Currently, there is no option to reveal your full card number. This restriction is in place to prevent unauthorized access and potential fraud. While you can block your card, request a replacement, or get assistance regarding your card status, viewing the complete number is not possible. If you need your full card number, you will have to use your physical card or contact Wells Fargo customer support to request a new one. So that's basically how you can see your card number on the Wells Fargo app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.